Hi guys, it's me, Aubrey, and today I want to do a craft with you with the Pout Pout Fish. We read this book, The Pout Pout Fish, and remember he had a mouth with a pout. Remember when you have a pout, it's when you're sad and your mouth goes down like this. So remember Pout Pout Fish, his face? We're going to make a Pout Pout Fish today using paints, a special technique. I'll show you. The first thing I want to do is draw a fish. It can be the Pout Pout Fish or any fish. I'm going to draw a big body for my fish and a tail so it can swim and maybe some fins. There we go. All right, however you want to draw the outline of your fish is fine. Just make sure it's very big so you have a lot of space to put your paint. Now I'm going to show you how we will paint our fish. Fish don't have skin like we do. They have scales, different pieces that overlap on their skin. So today we're going to paint scales using corks that you might have at your house. You need tempera paints like this, any color that you want. It's the fish you are making, so whatever colors you like. And we are going to use our corks like stamps in the paint and on the fish. It will make a circle shape, kind of like a scale on a fish. So that's what we're going to do today. Now I'm going to open up my paints. Okay, to do this, we do not need a lot of paint, just a little paint. So maybe even you have enough paint on the lid of your paints. Maybe you don't need to dip into the paint bucket. Let's see if this will work for us. I'm going to take my cork, press it onto the lid. Got some paint there, see? And I'm going to start to press my cork onto my fish. You see it makes circles. It's very cool. You can make the colors wherever you want and use as many colors as you want. The main thing is we want to cover our whole fish with scales. So try to fill in all of the spaces of the fish. Grab a different color. Don't worry about mixing. It actually looks really cool when the colors mix together. Once you have as many scales as you want and your fish all colored in, if you still have some cork left, I want you to make the eyes. I made my eyes with black because you can see it over all the colors. So again, I'm just going to use some paint off of the cap because I don't need that much. I have my black here. I'm going to make two eyes. There's one and two. There we go. Now you might be wondering about the mouth of the Pout Pout Fish. I'm going to show you how to do the mouth after this dries. So right now you need to find a nice place for your fish to sit and dry. And then come back and we will do the mouth. Sound good? I'll see you in a little bit. All right, welcome back. Our fish is now dry. And look at all of those beautiful scales. You did a very good job. Now, about the mouth of the Pout Pout Fish. You need to take a scrap of paper so that we can draw a mouth. Let me do that now. I'm going to draw a straight line and a half circle. Here we go. Here's our mouth. I'm going to color it in so it looks nice. And now here's the tricky part. I also want to color the back of the mouth. So I'm going to flip over my paper, and where I can see my mouth, I'm going to trace it and color it again. This is the trickiest part of this project because we want the mouth with color on two sides. So let me cut this out and show you what we did. take a look. Here is my mouth on the front and the back. Let's think. Why do I do this to the mouth? Do you remember the Pout Pout Fish? He has a pouty mouth. But in the end of the story, he realizes he's not a Pout Pout Fish. He is the Kiss Kiss Fish, and he is happy. So he starts off pouty, and he becomes happy with a smile. So look what we will do with our fish. If you want, you can glue your mouth to your fish, but that won't be so fun. I'm going to use a little bit of tape. When I put the tape on the mouth, I just want to put it on the bottom, like this. So there's no tape up here, but my tape is hanging off of the bottom here. So watch. I'm going to put the mouth on my fish like it is smiling with my tape. But look now, I can actually fold down the mouth and have my Pout Pout Fish with a Pout Pout face. Or I can fold it up and he is a happy fish. This way we can have both the Pout Pout Fish before, when he is with a pout, and after, when he is with a smile. So now we have our Pout Pout Fish. He's ready to go. I hope you enjoyed the craft today, and I will see you later in another craft video. Bye-bye.